Hi, I'm Heather from Mickabooh Systems, and I'm proud to introduce ChemIt, our chemistry tracker. ChemIt's primary purpose is to record titration results, but it can also record pH results, record chemical additions, and schedule testing in advance. You can set reminders to appear when a scheduled test should begin or in set increments before it should start. Clicking the Titrate Now or Record pH buttons will launch a window that will walk you through the respective process. All results from titration, chemical additions, and pH readings are visible to the right of the schedule. If you would like to view data in a specific way, our analytics window lets you group, filter, and summarize data however you find most useful. Schedule your tests for minutes to years in the future. Change the view to show all scheduled items over time spans from as short as 1 day to a whole year. Record those titration and/or pH test results immediately by simply clicking on the Titrate Now icon or the Record pH icon and entering the test values. It can keep track of multiple lines, tanks, and ChemIt has the capacity to track multiple chemical properties. ChemIt also provides easy-to-use drop-down menus to access TDS and MSDS technical documents for your chemical. One of ChemIt's most valuable tools are the analytics. ChemIt allows you to track your shop's chemical costs. ChemIt stores the data for analysis later, as well as generating easy-to-read reports for whatever time frame you want. ChemIt is easy to use and flexible enough to make it virtually a piece of custom software for an off-the-shelf price, and the analytics make ChemIt a must-have for your company.